I was browsing my stock market account kanina while having coffee. And nakahinuktok jud ko no kay pula-pula jud siya. Niya. Yun, pula-pula jud siya no. Logi tanan stocks na ako for the past 2 to 3 years. And then I was thinking, asa ka na ako ni pwede ibutang no. Then it came to me, the idea came to me that a lot of people are not really investing in stocks. They don't have insurances, they don't have savings, they don't have emergency funds. They don't have any property na dali lang mabaligya and be converted into cash in case of emergencies. If madaot ang stove and kailangan na ito mapalit, asa ito makuha og kwarta? Kung madaot ang motor, asa ito makuha og kwarta? What if madaot ang gripo sa balay, asa ito makuha og kwarta? What if madaot atong cellphone or gikawat atong cellphone, asa ito makuha og kwarta? And the answer for a lot of people is mangutang. And that's the concerning thing na ako ang napansin. No? Na even sa pinakagagmay nga emergencies like kato, madaot ang stove or naibil gikan sa kuryente, for a lot of people, emergency naman na siya, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 pesos. Pero, walay kwarta nga nakaset aside for those kind of short-term emergencies. Now, the question is, what if medium to major emergencies? What if masakit ato ang anak? What if masakit atong mamagpapa? What if naay madisgrasya? Or what if naay mamatay? Asa na puta mo kuha og kwarta karon? Nabatay mga properties nga pwede baligya. Nabatay mga insurance nga pwede kuhaan og kwarta. Nabatay insurance nga pwede musalo sa ato ang mga gastos. Nabatay emergency fund nga pwede makuot. And again, the sad answer is, for a lot of us, wala. And that's really a concerning thing even among high income earners. Ako, I'm not earning that much, no. I'm an instructor once isa ka state college, and that's just an entry level job for a teacher. And yeah, somehow na ako'y matipid-tipid, na ako'y matago-tago. Pero ano lang, kanang maka lang usahay, maka panghinayang lang nga even katong mga daga-earn of 50,000, 100,000, 200,000 per month are also in the same boat nga in case of emergencies, wa sila makuot. They have to wait for the next payday. They have to wait for the next sweldo para naa sila magamit. Or if kailangan na jud kayo, then mangutang. That is why as early as now, we really have to consider, no, at the very least man lang consider, let it become part of our awareness that savings, insurance, and investments are very important for future emergencies, for future use, so that dili ta always mag-rely sa utang. Kaya ang utang manggod na siya interest. So kato lang, no, please be mindful lang sa ato ang spending and sa ato ang finances. And if you wanted to have someone to talk to about money, budgeting, savings, investment, then feel free to comment down sa baba or give me a direct message and then we can talk.